This demonstration will see how to create and manage checkpoints. A checkpoint is a state and time of a virtual machine, and it contains the virtual machine state in the case of the disk, the memory and the hardware state. So we can take a checkpoint of a virtual machine whether it's running or not running, and what we'll do here is we'll now just come into our VMM, and what we're going to do here is we've got the 20409B lon-server 1 virtual machine. What we're going to do with this virtual machine is we're going to create a checkpoint. And as we can see, this virtual machine is currently running, so let's create a checkpoint. What we'll do here is we'll give this checkpoint a name, so let's just call this baseline, and we'll call this serve1. We'll then click create to create our baseline, and as we can see here, we've got a job running. We're creating the checkpoint. Once the checkpoint's created, we can then come in and start managing the checkpoints. So that's now completed. Let's just click manage checkpoints. And what we can see here is we can see the starting image, we've got the baseline, and this is our current running state. So what we can do here is we have the ability to go to a previous state, click the restore button. We can come to our current state, click the properties button, and this will give us some information relating to the baseline. So we can see the hardware configuration associated with the virtual machine when the baseline was taken. We can delete the baseline. If we delete the baseline now, it will merge into the parent. If we come to a previous baseline, then highlight this baseline, click delete, it will delete the baseline. And we also have the ability to create a baseline from within this little section as well. So what we'll do here is we'll just cancel this out. We'll then come to a virtual machine that's powered off, and we'll do exactly the same thing. So we'll create a checkpoint. And what we'll do here is we'll call this one baseline, and we'll call this one server 2. And then we'll select create, creating our baseline. If we come to manage checkpoints here, so we can see the baseline. Notice here though, little square blob, and that's because the virtual machine was powered off at that point in time. That's the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.